Hello, and for the first lesson I'm going to show you how to cast on or to do a chain. And to start with, you do your magic knot or your magic ring. Make that a bit smaller. Put it onto your needle and the yarn round the needle and pull it through the loop with the hook. Around the needle and through the loop with the hook. I tend to hold it with my fingers so the wool doesn't go all over the place. Around the needle and through the loop. Again, through the loop with the hook, around the needle, through the loop with the hook. And as you can see, this forms your foundation chain, your chain stitch or your cast on stitch. I don't know if you can see that.